Here's your keys. Okay. Here. Okay, hang on. Okay. Bro. Here's your new home, bro.
Thank you po.
Gilbert, Leah, there's your new home. Here, Leah. Come look over here, Leah. Look at that. Ano, kumusta ang bahay nyo? What can you say? What can you say?
Beautiful po.
Beautiful. Here you go, Gilbert. Alright.
Ano,
yeah,
sir?
Nice song. Okay. Open the door.
Gilan,
Bye,
open.
open the door. Oh no.
Go, buddy.
How?
You can?
How, Daddy? How? Oh!
Go, buddy.
Yay!
Mamaya na, si daddy na kukuha niyan, Gilan. Si daddy na. Huwag mo nang pakalman yan.
Mamaya mo na, Sin.
Okay na yan.
Me, give me.
Baka maiwala mo. Give it to dad.
Okay, take off your shoes. Dad.
Yes.
Mommy, Mommy. Okay, wait. Mommy. Where's the Bible to toilet? Wait, no, don't take off the...
Gilan, come here first.
Yay. Okay. So yung mga ano,
This will be my room.
Oh, really?
My room, my bed. My room is big.
This will be your room? Oh, my.
Bible will be here. Wait, wait. Hi.
yeah. Tingnan mo yung ano, nagkikinig na yung heat.
Ha?
Nag-ano na yung
Yung tumunog ha?
yung heat. Yeah.
This will be your room, Gilan.
That will not be my room.
Why?
This one, the other one will be my room. This will not be my room. Just look at this. Are you happy? Yeah.
Ganda ng pintura. Hindi na.
Mom, ano yun mo?
Saan kaya ako makakaano nung sa bakod?
Excuse me. How do you open?
Marami dito.
Let's go downstairs.
Downstairs.
Cookie time. Cookie. Careful. Wow.
Go, kids.
What's here?
No. Step, Kiki. Go. Okay, Kiki. Go,
Hi,
go, go.
Dad.
Wow.
Wow. Thank you, Lord.
Thank you, Lord. Oh, the washroom. Oh. There's the washroom, Cookie.
Favorite na din.
Oh my.
Ito yung plug ng ano ng
Turn off the water,
ay
Cookie.
yung ano yung pang-plug sa vacuum.
Okay po.
Okay po. Here's the third bedroom.
There's extra ano dito.
Ito ba sa kang ilalim ng
Ng
ano?
stairs. May extra dito. Okay.
Okay, sir.
May extra lock there.
Let's go inside na here.
Ito yung ilalim ng yung sa may barbecue, sir. Ang balcony.
Yeah.
May pinto dun sa labas.
Sir, naman po yung sabi niyong bibili namin na isa carbon.
Carbon monoxide and fire detector.
Okay.
Sa poso meron doon.
Okay.
Binuhoy na naman yung water.
Hindi.